What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of Samsung smartwatches to help you decide between two fantastic options. The brand new Galaxy Watch 8 and its still impressive predecessor, the Galaxy Watch 7. Samsung has made some interesting moves with these watches and we are here to break down all the key differences in specifications and features so you can pick the perfect one for your wrist and your wallet. But before we dive into the video, if you love watching contents on Galaxy phones or Galaxy watches, be sure to subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the like button if you find this video informative. Your likes will help this video to reach more people, so do not forget to smash that like button. Now let's dive right into the video. First, let's talk about how these watches look and feel. The Galaxy Watch 7 features a sleek, minimalist look with what Samsung calls a floating glass design. It comes in 40mm and 44mm sizes, with the smaller one being about 9.7mm thick. Whereas the new Galaxy Watch 8 introduces a fresh ultra-light cushion design. It's noticeably thinner, about 11% slimmer at just 8.6mm, which makes it feel even more comfortable on your wrist. Now coming to the display, both watches boast beautiful Super AMOLED displays protected by durable sapphire crystal glass. But here's a big difference. The Galaxy Watch 8 can hit an incredible peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it 50% brighter than the Watch 7. This means much better visibility outdoors, even in direct sunlight. The Watch 7's display is great, but the Watch 8 truly shines here. Now coming to the performance and software, this might surprise you. Both the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch 8 are powered by the exact same 3nm Exynos W1000 5-core chipset. So in terms of raw speed and how quickly applications open, you won't notice a difference. They also both come with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage in their base models, which is plenty for apps and music. Now let's talk about operating system and AI features. This is where the Watch 8 really pulls ahead. It's launched with One UI 8 watch built on the latest Wear OS 6 and features deep integration with Google's Gemini AI. This means more advanced voice commands and new AI-powered features for daily tasks and fitness insights. Whereas the Galaxy Watch 7 runs on One UI Watch 8 based on Wear OS 5, while it will get the One UI 8 watch update very soon, and we can expect Gemini to come on the Galaxy Watch 7 as well. Let's wait and see that. But there are some rumors that the Galaxy Watch 7 may not get Gemini, but I feel that Samsung will release Gemini for the Watch 7 as well. Anyways, moving on with the health and fitness tracking features, the Watch 8 adds some cutting-edge features here. Both devices share Samsung's comprehensive bioactive sensor, which includes an optical heart rate sensor, ECG for electrical heart signals, and BIA for body composition analysis. They also have temperature sensors and all the other essential. The Watch 7 already had an upgraded, more precise bioactive sensor, and the Watch 8 uses the same great technology. So in this department, both watches have similar sensors. However, the Galaxy Watch 8 introduces some innovative AI-driven health features. A standout is the antioxidant index, which lets you track carotenoid levels right from your wrist. For runners, there is an enhanced running coach that can assess your fitness level and create a customized training plan with real-time guidance. And another new feature is vascular load. We can learn how monitoring stress on your vascular system can help you adjust your habits for better health. Now, a couple of these new features will be exclusive to the Galaxy Watch 8 series, and it will not be coming to the Galaxy Watch 7 series. Now, don't count the Watch 7 out. It was the world's first smartwatch to feature FDA-authorized sleep apnea risk detection, which is a huge benefit. It also offers comprehensive sleep tracking and coaching, plus a holistic energy score. So while the Watch 8 has new AI tricks, the Watch 7 is still a very capable health companion. Now the most important part, battery life. The Galaxy Watch 8 sees a small bump in battery capacity. The 40mm model goes from 300 mAh in the Watch 7 to 325 mAh, and the 45mm watch from 425 mAh to 435 mAh. Samsung says this is about an 8% increase. Despite the small increase, Samsung estimates the Watch 8 will last about 30 hours with the always-on display enabled, or up to 40 hours with it off. In comparison, Watch 7 typically gave around 22 hours with AOD on, so the Watch 8 offers a noticeable improvement in daily endurance, likely due to software optimizations. Unfortunately, charging speeds remain the same. Both watches support 10-watt wireless charging, meaning a full charge will still take around 90 minutes. It's not the fastest, but it gets the job done. Now let's talk about the numbers that often make the big difference. that is the price. The Watch 7 was launched at $299 for the 40mm Bluetooth model, but with the Watch 8 out, the Watch 7 is now heavily discounted. You can often find the 40mm Bluetooth model for around $210 and the LTE version for about $260 in the US, and this price will vary depending on the region. This makes the Watch 7 an incredible value right now. Whereas the Galaxy Watch 8 starts at a higher price point, $349.99 for the 40mm version and $380 for the 44mm version, the LTE versions adds another $50 on these watches. So there is a clear price increase, especially when you compare it to the Galaxy Watch 7's current discounted rates. So which one should you buy? It literally comes down to your priorities and budget. Buy the Galaxy Watch 8 if you are an early adopter who always wants the latest tech, especially the new Google Gemini AI and exclusive health features like the antioxidant index and enhanced running coach. If you are someone who spends a lot of time outdoors and need the brightest possible display for easy visibility in sunlight, if you are someone who appreciates a slightly thinner, more refined design for extra comfort, and if your budget allows for higher price point, the cutting edge features are your top priority. Now you can buy Watch 7 if you're looking for the absolute best value in premium smartwatch right now. Its discounted price makes it incredibly appealing. If you want a powerful and capable smartwatch with excellent comprehensive health tracking, including the FDA authorized sleep apnea detection, and if the latest health-centric features are not really essential for you, and if you're okay with a slightly less bright screen or marginally thicker design to save a significant amount of money. In conclusion, both Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 7 are fantastic smartwatches. The Watch 8 brings exciting new AI and a brighter screen, but the Watch 7 at its current discounted price offers incredible value for a device that still delivers a premium experience. The choice is yours based on what matters most to you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech comparisons, and let us know in the comments which watch you are leaning towards. See you next time. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.